What's up, YouTube? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another best of, top of, whatever you want to call it. These are some of the best accessories that I have right now for the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's check them out. One of the best accessories that you can have is a tempered glass screen protector. And as of right now, this is one of the only ones that will work. This is Whitestone Dome Glass by Whitestone Dome. What more can we say? Goes on the screen. It's going to protect your screen from all those scratches, from those scrapes, from those breaks. You get ultrasonic fingerprint recognition. So let's test that screen out right now with the fingerprint scanner. All I'm going to do is turn that on. Touch the screen and boom. So Whitestone Dome, one of the only screen protectors that I know of right now. Now there may be some more out there, I'm not sure, but the only one I know of right now that is going to work with that Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now we protected the front of it. Let's protect the back. This is UAG Monarch. This is one of my favorite cases that I have. I have tons of cases, but this is one of my favorites. It just kind of slips on. It kind of fits like a glove. It's going to be there when you need it. Has a nice raised edge on top and bottom. You have easy access to your ports down bottom. All of my buttons are nice and tactile. It actually works with the Whitestone Dome glass. There we go. And mic up top looks good. The camera, it allows for it to sit down in a nice recess. And when you drop it face down, you're not going to have to worry about that screen scratching up, getting bumped up, and getting broken. That's why this is one of the top accessories that I have right now. So this phone actually comes with 128 gigabytes. I got the base model. That is great. That's a great amount of storage for anybody. But you may need more. Say, for instance, doing my YouTube videos on the go, I may want to take some of my videos with me and edit while I'm on the go. This is a great companion. This is a Samsung portable SSD. This is the T5, 500 gigs. I think this is enough for me. It actually goes up to a terabyte. I think it goes up higher than that. I think there are actually 3 models of this. But you can get this. It's nice, it's light, it's portable, and it connects through USB Type-C. So it will connect directly to the bottom, USB-C to C. You can get your files, pictures, whatever you want to. You can store movies on here. Anything you need to go, you can have it on the go. Use it on your phone through minimal setup. That's why this is one of the best accessories that I have right now for my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Another way to do file sharing is this piece right here. This is a USB-A to C adapter. This actually comes in the box. So if you have those files on an old thumb drive or anything, you just plug that in, plug that thumb drive into the bottom of here, and boom, you get access. That's a great device to have, a great device to keep around, and I suggest putting it in a pocket, in a bag of some sort that may zip, because it's very small and it's really easy to lose. But this is one of the best accessories that I have right now, the adapter for the USB type A to C. You gotta have good headphones. You need something to use. Galaxy Earbuds, they supposedly are great. I haven't tried them yet. I'm still waiting on my pair to come with the promotion. I pre-ordered this phone, so I should be getting some. I didn't go out and buy them because I'm getting them for free. But in the meantime, what do I use to listen to music? Boom. Apple Airpods. Now, not just any AirPods. This is the second version of the Apple Airpods. So now I can literally go in here, wireless power share, and I can charge my AirPods up on the back of my Samsung phone, which is an extremely dope concept. So Apple, I hope you're paying attention for this year when you make a phone. But wireless power sharing, boom, there we go. Everything is going to be good. I'm going to be able to charge my AirPods on the go without any issue, without any fuss. Wireless charging, music on the go. So at nighttime, when I come home, I just want to lay my phone down. I don't feel like looking for an actual plug to plug it in. There we go. Samsung fast charger. This is the convertible charger. So you can stand it up, you can lay it down, I can sit it on there. Boom, it charges. And then I can lay it down and it charges once again. This is a fast charging device. I've had this charger for a while and it's never let me down. So this is a great device to have for the all new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Speaking of power, charging is great at home, but if you need something on the go, I want you to check this out. This is the Omar's power bank. Now this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It does power delivery, so it will charge multiple devices at the same time, as well as it will charge laptops. Up here, you got quick charge, USB 3.0, a regular USB, and then we have USB Type-C. So it's really easy for me to take my USB to USB cable that I have. I actually have a couple of those. Here's one right here. Each end is USB Type-C, and this actually comes with one of these charging cables. And you just plug this in directly, just like so. Turn on your power button. Make sure that you got LEDs all the way across the board. 4 LEDs means that you are good to go. You are fully charged. I'm gonna plug that in and boom, you get charging. But not just any charging. Notice at the bottom, you get fast charging. So this device is gonna allow me to fast charge on the go, and this will basically be the only device I will need to charge my laptop, my tablet, as well as my phone. I'm going to leave a link below so you can go and check this out. But this is the Omar's Power Bank, 20,000 milliamp hour battery. So these are just a few of the devices that I have right now that are making my life so much more easy, so much more simple with the Galaxy S10 Plus. Leave a comment below. Let me know which devices you have, which ones make your life more simple, which ones make your life more easy, more convenient with this brand new phone, with this brand new device. Until next time, hopefully this was able to help someone out. I'll be sure to leave links to all these devices below so you can go check them out for yourself. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.